Did you know there's a gas that makes your voice sound like a scary monster? It's called Xenon, and it does the exact opposite of helium. While helium makes you sound like a squeaky mouse, Xenon makes you sound super deep and spooky. Imagine your voice trying to swim through thick honey instead of water. That's what happens when sound waves travel through xenon gas. Xenon is 6 times heavier than regular air, so it slows everything down. Your vocal cords vibrate much slower, creating that dramatic, deep voice effect. Movie makers and scientists use this trick all the time. But here's the crazy part. Xenon costs more than gold. It's so rare and expensive that changing your voice with Xenon is like gargling with liquid treasure. Talk about the most luxurious voice changer ever.